So yeah, this is smudge proof, as you can see. Oh my god. Hi guys, namaste, welcome to Nair Mentions. Before getting into the video, do the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much, and I hope you all are doing fine. Today I have with me an eyeliner from the brand Blue Heaven, and this is a one stroke application eyeliner with being smudge proof and waterproof. This is also very lightweight, and also one of the most interesting part is that this is very affordable. This just retails for 130 rupees. Blue Heavens is actually a very affordable brand, and also they are very good in quality. Like I have used Blue Heaven foundation, Blue Heaven mascara, kajal, they're all very good. This actually says, with Blue Heaven one stroke liquid eyeliner, get movie star eyes without a hitch. We'll try that. And this is in the color jet black. Don't be fooled by the packaging. This is not neon green or purple. This is black in color. I love the packaging though. So let's try this out. Oh god, it's been a long time, you know. I have cribbed about such packaging. But yes, this is actually not good. I don't like such tight packaging. I wanted to tear it very aesthetically, but it's just not possible. This is how I actually tore it. Okay, so this is how the packaging looks like. This is the handle and this is the body, and also the expiry is mentioned on the bottle, which is very good because the way I tore off the outer packaging, the expiry wasn't even visible. So this is very good. I like the fact that when brands, they kind of print the expiry on the bottle as well rather than just on the packaging. This is very good. Okay, so let's see. You have to just kind of shake it, and then this is how the applicator looks like. It's very simple, very basic, and this definitely looks one stroke. So yeah, this is smudge proof, as you can clearly see, and let's check waterproof as well. Oh my god, this is actually waterproof. See, this hasn't budged. Oh my god, this is very exciting. Okay, so let's apply this and see how this fares. Okay. Wow, this is so pretty. I mean, this is so black and this is so pigmented, and also this is actually one stroke. You don't have to keep redoing on the same part. This is not watery at all. This is very good. Oh god, I love this. Okay, so I've applied this on my eyes. As you can see, this is so pigmented. In case you have tried the K by Katrina eyeliner, this has somewhat the same texture. Like the K one is a little, glossy, but this one is not glossy. This is matte, but the precision, the application and the pigmentation is almost the same. So this is very good, and this is so affordable. This is just for 130 rupees, and I think if you go online, you'll find it way more cheaper. So I think you should definitely give this a try. I'll put the link of this in the description box. This is a must buy. This is also smudge proof, waterproof. The remover se hi niklega. So yeah, do give this a try. This is very good, very affordable. I'm again and again saying, very good for college students, school going kids, if you have a party or something, it's very affordable. And yeah, I'll put the link of this in the description box. Do give this a try and let me know whether this worked for you or not. Alright, so I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.